As a potential student coming here to U of T Engineering, you're probably wondering about the academic side of our school. Well, we were just ranked #1 in Canada in the London Times Higher Education Supplement, so that should tell you a little bit about how respected we are in the world. What we do want to tell you about, though, is the great services we have for you. We have amazing professors, really interesting research, and awesome academic services to help you succeed. First thing we're going to do is go to the Terence Donnelly Center for Cellular and Biomolecular Research, or also known as CCBR.
The CCBR is one of the coolest buildings on campus. It's a collaborative research center that joins together the faculties of engineering, medicine, dentistry, and science to perform some of the most groundbreaking research in the world. Upstairs, you'll find researchers working on a variety of different things, including medical imaging technology and biocompatible polymers. Now let's hear from Professor Molly Schoikott, who not only does research in this building, but also heads up the bioengineering minor, a really neat option available to engineering students.
Hello, my name is Molly Schoikott, and I'm a professor at the University of Toronto. My area of research is in drug delivery and tissue engineering, or regenerative medicine. We are particularly interested in overcoming devastating diseases or traumatic injuries of the central nervous system, such as spinal cord injury and stroke. We're using a combination of cells and hydrogels and three-dimensional structures to design new tissue-engineered constructs that could be implanted into these different disease areas, and also developing drug delivery strategies for these areas and also for cancer. We're particularly interested in targeted drug delivery for breast cancer and are developing the platform technologies to advance those fields. We use a combination of chemical engineering, biology, chemistry, and work closely with our surgical collaborators to advance these technologies out of the lab and into surgical application, ultimately with the goal of advancing human health. I'm also the director of the bioengineering minor at the University of Toronto, which is an initiative across the Faculty of Applied Science and Engineering.
The bioengineering minor is a great way for engineering students to get exposure and experience and learn how engineering solutions can solve biomedical problems.
Having professors like Dr. Schoikott teach your classes is a very enriching experience. Not only are our professors in some of the top groundbreaking research areas, they're also coming from industry, which means they can bring all of their experiences into the classroom. Since your classes will generally be around 40 to 120 students, you really get a chance to get to know your professors well. And in addition to our professors, we also have really good academic services to help you outside of the classroom. For instance, you should know that the Faculty of Applied Science and Engineering has a FirstYear Office designed to help first-year engineering students transition smoothly into their first year. The Math Aid Office is another great resource to help students get support in their math problem sets. Students will often come in as a group so they can work on their problem sets together in the Math Aid Office. Other services made just for engineering students include the Engineering Career Office, the Engineering Communications Office, as well as your Registrar's Office and Admissions Office. There's also the departmental offices too, but we'll talk about those later on.
We hope you enjoyed your quick look at engineering academics